Hello everyone, this is Paramita. I hope you all had a very good week. Today is Sunday, and this is going to be the last video of this series, HTML, CSS, like creating your first website layout. And so, as I promised, that I will show you how to host a static website on GitHub for free. Okay, so I am back from my holiday last Sunday, but after that, I got tied up with a lot of work and my own study as well. And and I promised that I will show you like how you can proceed for advanced CSS, like how you can learn more HTML and CSS. I will do this today. And as far as the hosting website is concerned, what I am going to do, I have found a really helpful video. That's what I was going to make actually, to show you how to host the website on GitHub for free using the um, GitHub desktop tool. So there is a video in YouTube. You can see here, it's already open. What I am going to do, I will share you this link of this video in my description. Okay, in this video, in the description section, you will be able to see this video's link. This is a really good video I found. Here they have explained elaborately like how you can host your static website on GitHub for free. If you watch this video step by step, you can do that. Okay, so instead of creating a new video, I have found this video. You can watch this and you can learn that easily. If you get any question, if you need more help from me, in case if you can't make it from this video, then you can leave a message in the comment section on YouTube. I will come back to you. I will create another new video in future if you need it at all. Okay, but hopefully you will not need this video, will be enough for you. Okay, so I will leave this link on the description section. And now today I am not going to make this video very long, but I will show you some more sources where you can learn more. Okay, so after this video, for the time being, I will stop this HTML CSS tutorial now, because this was meant to teach you the basics of HTML CSS. I think now you have learned that, but if you are interested in development more, like if you wanted to learn HTML CSS just for, for other purpose, like maybe for Salesforce or for software testing and stuff, this is enough. But if you want to learn more about HTML CSS, if you are really interested in website development or website designing, so you can continue your learning. Even if I will not I'm not making any more videos at this moment on HTML CSS. Maybe in future I will make another series for advanced HTML CSS. But if you don't want to stop, if you want to continue study HTML CSS, I will suggest you some more resources. One, you already know, the w3school.com. Now whatever you have learned so far, this is just starting. Okay, like for learning there is no end. Actually, you can learn as much as you want. w3schools.com. Yeah, so now if you go to HTML section, see, there are so many things to learn. Like, the best way, what you can do, I will say, start from the beginning. A lot of things you already know. Start from there, and one by one, just keep on trying and practicing those stuffs. You will learn a lot of things. There are tables. We haven't discussed about tables. tables, lists, and uh, there will be form also, HTML form. uh, so many things are there. So keep on learning each and every point one by one. It's really easy on W3 School. Even if you are on train, you are lying on the bed, you can learn it on your iPad, on your mobile phone. Just try it yourself. You can practice the code like this, okay? And after that, you do the website, and as per your requirement, you apply those things, whatever you learned, okay? See, this is HTML forms. These are very important as well. So everything you learn one by one. If you go to the CSS, I just wanted to tell you that I have taught you about the ID, okay? ID of an element, but I haven't taught about the class. In future, if I do some advanced course on HTML, CSS, I will teach there. But now you can learn about CSS class. That's really, really important, okay? So CSS also a lot of stuffs are there to learn. I will suggest you just learn one by one from the beginning, okay? And just practice. Now it's easy for you to understand because you already understood the basic, okay? So one by one there are a lot of attributes and stuff. You can learn those, okay? This is a very good way to learn. And then there are a lot of videos on YouTube also. Like one person I really like, so I really like his videos. His name was Kevin Powell, I think. Yeah, Kevin Powell, and he makes videos especially on CSS and like website designing stuff. So a lot of advanced CSS. Uh, Also, he talks about like flex. Flex is very important in CSS, in advanced CSS, I will say. So when you will learn in W3 school, then also you will come across with these things: flex, grid. Grid is little bit complicated for the beginner, but the flex is quite easy and it's very helpful, okay? So uh, you can follow him. He got heaps of videos. You can have a look. You can go to his channel, and then you can look at his all of his videos, okay? So it's huge. A lot of videos you will have. So there are a lot of sources to learn. You keep on learning, okay? And best of luck for your development career, and whoever is interested in designing, development, etc. So in this way they can keep on learning, okay? So now today, this video I'm not going to make it really big one. I'll stop here, and yeah, because best of luck for your HTML and CSS learning. And in future I will come up with some advanced tutorial, and probably soon I will come up with a tutorial on JavaScript. In case, but it will be little bit advanced. So for the kids, I think it will not be suitable at this moment. But if anyone is interested, just keep an eye. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it, so that once you get the suitable video, you will get the intimation. You can watch that, okay? Or you can keep an eye on my blog, paramita.blog. You know that that's under development now. There will be huge changes actually. I will show you. At this moment nothing is there, basically just YouTube channel link is here. My YouTube channel link is here, but there will be huge changes actually. I'm going to make it like more informative. There will be a lot of informations, and you will come to know about my upcoming videos also here. It may take some time, maybe 1 month or something like that. So right now I'm going to concentrate on some Salesforce videos, actually Salesforce development and stuff. So that's why I'm a little bit busy with those things. So now, so yeah, so now I'll stop here. Not much, not I'll not take not much time today. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, so best of luck for your journey. Bye bye.